So let's just start off. Let's say I am given the points 3, 2, and 3, -4. I'm going to plot those, see what it looks like. We're not asked to do anything specific here yet, just I'm going to start looking at this. So 3, 2, and then 3, -4. Okay, if I connected those two lines, or those 2 points, my line would be straight up and down. Okay, now let's think about what's true about these points. And not just the 2 points, the 3, 2, and the 3, -4. Every point on this line has a value, x value of 3, and different y values. So no matter what, x equals 3. So that is true for all points on that line. X equals 3. So that's the equation of the line, actually. X equals 3. Now how about the slope? Let's use our formula. y2 -4 minus y1 2, and then 3 minus 3 on the bottom. So we've got -6 over 0. You can't divide by 0, right? Undefined. So think of it too, like if that was what's the slope of that? Let's say that's a road, straight up and down. You can't have a road straight up and down because no cars could drive on it. You can't plant your feet on it. So slope is undefined. The other thing you might be asked for these, what's the x-intercept? Well, in this case, it'd be 3, or the point 3, 0. How about the y-intercept? Okay, with these there would be none. I'm never going to cross the y-axis. Okay. How about 1, 4, and 3, 4? Okay, so you probably guess what this is going to look like. The other special line we have. 1, 4, and 3, 4. This is going to form a horizontal line. Okay, so it doesn't matter what the x value is. Y is always 4 in this case. Okay, so this is an equation where we just have y, no x. So in this one, my slope would be 4 minus 4 over 3 minus 1. 0 over 2. It doesn't really matter what's on the bottom. It's going to be 0 on top always, because if it's the same y values, take the difference, we're going to get 0. There would be no x-intercept. And the y-intercept would be, in this case, 4, or 0, 4, as a point. Okay, so let's kind of do this in black, because this is kind of like a definition. Whenever we have a vertical line, the equation is x equals some number, and my slope is undefined. Whenever I have a horizontal line, this is the an equation y equals some number, and my slope, it would always be 0.